have heavy whipped cream, and then you pour it into the jar, and then you shake it until you get tired. I'm tired. Whew, this is a lot of work. Here, Mars. Here. Whew, this is a lot of work. You're gonna shake the liquid until it gets to solid. It's already solid. It's almost ready. Oh my gosh, it's already solid. Oh, this is already solid. Solid. Oh my gosh. Look at the inside. We're gonna add a little bit of salt for a taste. Let's do it too. Tastes good. When you taste it, it's good. Mmm, that's delicious. Almost done with mine's cake. That's a lot of butter. I know because too much. Let me help you, Madison. I don't need your help. That's enough, Madison. But we need some on this side. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and hit that like button. Bye-bye.